Thank you for submitting your form and showing your interest in ALM's new line of precision positioners. This new series of positioners is a new area for ALM as we broaden our scope into the automation world. We're really excited to be unveiling these new positioners with unrivaled speed and unbeatable configurations, which open up more options for our customers for manufacturing solutions. Please enjoy the video and reach out to us with any questions. We're happy you're here. Thank you.
Meet the ALM Precision Line. Unrivaled speed, unbeatable configuration, built for today's manufacturing floor. These positioners deliver the speed, repeatability, and control your operation demands. Every manufacturing application has its own demands. The Precision Line is engineered for configurability, and our team works with you to find the right setup, ensuring the positioner integrates seamlessly into your operation. Plus, it's fully designed and engineered so integrators don't have to design their own systems. Speed is a powerful advantage on the production floor, and the Precision Line delivers it at a whole new level. With lift and rotation, performance up to 10 times faster than competitors, it helps reduce cycle times, increase throughput, and keep work moving efficiently. Robot-ready accuracy ensures every movement stays repeatable, controlled, and precise. These are designed for today's increased automation needs. Operator-focused safety is engineered into every Precision Line system. Available with full controls or structure only, ALM can help create a confident, controlled environment for high-speed positioning that includes ALM's industry-leading mechanical safety designs. Every Precision Line positioner is supported by ALM's legendary service and long-term expertise. Our team works with you to find the best positioner that fits your needs, and our factory-trained technicians provide installation guidance, startup services, and preventative maintenance, helping your system stay optimized, reliable, and productive for years to come. Built for speed, designed for control, supported for the long haul, the ALM Precision Line is ready to transform your floor. Learn more at almmh.com.